one month and a half. 1 month. I'm sure. Oh, really? That's cool. Who tell you to do that? Who tell you to use Vigo? Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not good at English. Eventually, shall we? You tried other apps? No, no, no. Why? I'm just new here. Sicarius. Thanks for tapping. Later, magpapa-music ako, guys. Right now, I have time to talk to you. Hi, Prince, shall we? You seem good at this. No! I told you, I'm just new here, like almost 1 month and a half. Hi, Prince. Matthews Prince. Boomer. Hey. Right? Boomer. Who's Boomer? Oh. But hi, Prince, shall we? Hello, Princess. Tapos mamaya, marunong pala kayo mag-Tagalog. Where are you from, Prince? I'm your princess. Gago lang. Diba? Europe. Oh, we're in Europe. Europe? Wow. How long have you been here? Boomer, you can talk to me also. Bakit sinasakop ako ng mga nag-i-English dito? Takinang yan. Shall we? Hala, ano po nasa likod mo? Lola mo, yup, near in Eiffel Tower. Yeah, Paris is overrated and ruined nowadays. Oh no. Tangina, isinasakop ako ng mga nag-i-English, guys, gago. Sorry, kala ko kasi wings mo ka kasi. Grabe ka, Dark Angel. But I wanna see Paris someday. Cause that's my dream country. I wanna visit Paris someday. The place to go now is the Philippines. More fun in the Philippines. Hi, Gapsi. Kanto, tangina yang ka na naman. Guys, ba't ako sinasakop ng mga taga-ibang lahi? Yeah, what else do you want me to go? Minibin USA. Minibin. Not salty, please. Can I get follow back? Sure. Oy, gagi. Sana win. Better luck next time. Why? Why, guys? Oh my gosh. One more. I'm kidding. Thank you, Mini Bean USA. Ay! Sana mag-win. Thank you. Sure, Prince. How old are you? Sana manalo. Ay! Not salty. Nanalo. Bakit isa lang? Charot. Thank you, Mini Beans. Go. 28. Oh, 28. It's not bad. No way you're new to this. Yes, I knew. Like, almost half in a month. I told you. Grabe, guys. Tangina, ba't wala nagtatagalog dito? Ano? How about you, Boomer? Right? You said you're new, but I feel like you're not. I didn't know ABC had any cute girls. Really? Why? Why Minibin? Have you been talked to other ABC fans? 2 weeks na, tignan mo tinatagalog mo ako. Nagtatagalog ka. Prince, how are you? 2 weeks na. Only Kin. Only Kin? Oh, I see. How long have you been here? Yeah, I know Kin, but... Yeah, I know Kin. Hey. I'm fine, doing great. How about you? How about you? I'm doing good. Ano ba? Tangina, tatlo kayong ini-English ko. Yes. I don't have any music right now, guys, because maybe later I go music. But right now, I talk to all of you. Wow, you only been here 2 months. Yeah, I'm just new here, like 1.5 months. Mini Bean USA. You and Kin are friends or special? Kin is pretty, same age, still innocent. Right, Boomer? No, I'm not. I don't have content. Like, I'm not singing. Last month, I do dancing, but now, I'm just sitting. Oh my gosh. Pwedeng isa pa, ganun. Tetang ay na Boomer, nagtatagalog ka, Meka. Prince, you can talk here. You still watching me like my, what? English baliw? Why you say baliw? Tell me, guys. First month done, second month sitting, third month is sleeping. How did you know that? How did you know? Nah. Thank you, Prince. Really, I'm pretty. Are you sure? Mga sinasakop ako ng mga nag-i-English tapos nagtatagalog. Hi, sir. 4 month is heartbreak. No, don't be like that to me. Why are you guys so bad at me? Hi, sir. How are ya? Ba't kayo ganyan? Ba't kayo puro English? Ayaw nyo magtagalog? Ay, what's that? DM, sir? Kupal si Rogani. Mali, sorry na. Her heart is so big. Hey, Mini Bean USA. Ay, not salty, please. Soon I will put you in my highlights in IG. Please make me win. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Soon I will put you in my highlights in IG. Oh, really, Prince? Tangina. Huwag kayo talaga na ano. Hi, Hazel. Where? What's your IG? Show to me. Thank you for tapping. Mini Bean USA, why I'm so salty right now? Why? Hoy, Boomer, magsalita ka dyan. Boomer. Why I'm salty right now? Kaya ang laki ng tiyan ko cause I sent it to you. Sure! Let me check it later. Boomer jinx us. What? Mini Bean, what? Not salty. Oy, baby. Not salty, not salty.